Getting started with Libby from Overdrive. Note, if you want to read on a Kindle, you do not need to download the Libby app. You can simply visit hcplibrary.overdrive.com in a web browser to check out ebooks. Still want to use the Libby app? Then let's get started. Step 1. Go to your device's App Store and search for Libby, spelled Libby. Step 2. Download the app to your device and open it. Step 3. If you have a library card with us, answer yes. If you don't have a library card with us yet, stop by the library with your driver's license with your current Hancock County address on it. If your current address is not yet on your driver's license, bring your license in an official piece of mail like a bill that has your name and current Hancock County address on it. Once you have your library card, return to this step and answer yes. Step 4. Search for a library. Enter zip code 46140 and select Hancock County Public Library. Step 5. Select Sign in with my card and enter your card number. Tap Sign in. Tap Next. And if you want to read with the Libby app, select Skip. This way you won't be limited to Kindle format items. You are now ready to start using Libby. Let's take a quick look at navigating around the app. The app starts you on the building icon that is found at the bottom of the app. Think of this as like being at the library and browsing for items. You can see librarian-curated collections and guides, special events, and even more collections. You can even browse items just added to the collection. You can select the magnifying glass on the bottom left of the screen to search for an item. I will search Stephen King. And now we'll see what we have in Overdrive by Stephen King. Ebooks have no signifiers. They are simply indicated by the book jacket. Downloadable audiobooks will have an earbud icon with a number indicating the length of the book in time. For example, the audiobook Elevation by Stephen King is 4 hours long. To borrow an item, select Borrow next to it. Tap Borrow again, and the item will start downloading. And Libby is also letting us know that notifications will let us know when this loan is due, and asking us if we'd like to set up our notifications. It's always a good idea to manage those when you have a chance so you don't get annoyed. So I'll tap Manage Notifications. I'm going to allow Libby to send notifications for now, just because I want to be notified when books are coming due. And this will give you lots of options as to what notifications Libby will provide you. For example, if I don't want notifications about loans expiring, I'll tap on Ignore, and then it will not give me those notifications. If I would like that notification, I'll simply recheck on the far right there. Once I'm done setting up my notifications, I'm going to swipe down to get rid of that menu. And I'm going to tap on Open Book so we can see what an ebook looks like in Libby. Since I've opened the ebook, Overdrive is giving me all of my options here up front. To get rid of the options, I simply can tap once in the middle of the screen, and now I can simply swipe right to read forward, swipe left to go backwards, or tap on the right side of the screen to go forward, tap on the left side of the screen to go back. If I tap in the middle, that brings up my options again. If I tap on Table of Contents, it'll allow me to skip to different parts of the book. I can swipe down to get rid of that. If I tap on the capital A in the top right, that gives me my appearance options. I can make the text size larger, so it makes it more comfortable to read. I can change the lighting options. Again, that could increase my comfort in reading, or make it so it's not so bright in a dark room. And there are many other options that you can explore. I'll swipe down to get rid of that. I can tap on the magnifying glass to search within the book. Now the stacked bookmark icon next to the magnifying glass will show me any bookmarks I've made in the book. And then to create a bookmark, which I've already done here, let's swipe to a new page and tap on my options again. I can tap on the bookmark hanging down here to create a bookmark. Once you see the red bookmark in the top right, you know you've made a bookmark. If I return back to the Libby app, I will tap on Back, and that exits the book and takes me back to Libby. If I want to return this ebook early, I can tap on the bookshelf icon at the bottom of the screen that's indicated by the stack of books. Then I'll tap on Manage Loan and tap on Return Early. And then tap Return to confirm that. And the ebook's been returned to the library. And this is great if you do finish something early and there are holds on the item. That way, patrons don't have to wait as long to receive the item, but don't feel any pressure to do so. It's just one of those things where it can be a nice courtesy. There are no fines or anything like that regarding the ebooks because they'll automatically go off of your device once your loan period's over. I'll tab Go to Shelf, and I'm back at my bookshelf. Let's tap the building icon to go back to our browsing preferences, and I'm going to go back to Just Added to browse Just Added items. I'm going to tap Refine and then Format and choose Audiobooks, and that way we can browse the audiobooks we have. If an ebook or downloadable audiobook has place hold next to it instead of borrow, that means that all available copies are currently in use. To place a hold on the item, simply tap Place Hold, and place hold again to confirm, and you've placed on the hold list. If I go to my bookshelf and go to holds, I can see that it'll be about 2 weeks before I receive the item. Now let's see what an audiobook looks like. I'll tap back on the building icon, find an audiobook, tap Borrow, borrow again to confirm. Now the audiobook will start downloading. If I tap Open Audiobook, I can see a screen that looks relatively similar to the ebook version. I can tap on Table of Contents to skip around in the book. The speedometer in the top right allows me to adjust my playback speed. The moon icon allows me to set a sleep timer. The stack of bookmarks again will show me any bookmarks I've made in the item. And this bookmark button on the top right is how I actually make a bookmark. And now I've noted my place in the book. Well, that is a ton of information, so please don't hesitate to give us a call at area code 317-462-5141, extension 240 if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day.